Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be attempting the chapter ratio. So let's get started. The question is 32 ratio 72. So we're going to divide 32 with 2. So 2, 32, 2 ones are 2 minus 1 here, 2 comes down, 16, oh sorry 12, and then 2 6 are 12 minus 0. So it is 16 ratio. We'll divide 72 with 2 here, 72 here, 2 3s are 6, minus 1 comes down, 2 comes down, and then 2 6 are 12 minus 0. We'll write 36 right here, 36, and now we are going to divide 16 with 2. That would be 8, because 2 8s are 16. So we are going to write 8 here. Ratio, we'll divide 36 with 2. 2 ones are 2, minus 1 comes down, 16, and then 2 8s are 16 minus 0. So it is 18. We will write 18 right here. And then we are going to divide 8 with 2. That would be 4, 2, because 2 4s are 8. And we are going to write here 9, so because 2 9s are 18. So we are going to write 9 here. 9 here. I hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing and send this who needs it. And see you next time. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.